Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaria Shakira, aka Frizzy Curls, back again with another YouTube video. Today I'm bringing you this quick tutorial on how I pick out my wash and goes. One of my subscribers actually asked me if I can film a video on how I pick out my wash and goes. So if you want to see how it's done, then just keep on watching. Okay y'all, so getting right into the video, this is a wash and go that I did on my hair. This wash and go was actually featured on my channel a while ago when my hair was, I think it was even before I dyed my hair this year. So go check that video out if you want to see how I did this wash and go. I will film an updated one soon. But for now, that is the video you can refer to if you want to see how I did this wash and go. The products I used today was this texture foam mousse by the company The Do. The only difference between this wash and go and that wash and go is the fact that I paired my Aussie Moist conditioner with the mousse. So that's why I'm going to give you guys an updated wash and go tutorial, because I technically added a new product to the wash and go. So anywho, one of these days I'm gonna film it for y'all so y'all can see how I did it today. I don't know when, but just subscribe to my channel if you want to see it. But these are what my curls are looking like today. They're really soft, fluffy, shiny, defined. So this wash and go definitely is a fave, and I probably will be using this combination for majority of my wash and goes here on out. So my hair is about 98 to 100% dry. There's like little spots of wetness, so it's really not going to affect this pick out session today. I know some of you guys are new to this color. This color actually is not black. I know some of you are wondering, like, girl, when did you dye your hair? I did this maybe 4 days ago, and I did film it, but I just didn't like the footage, so I probably won't be posting that video of me dyeing my hair this time. But if you want to know how I did it, I just added 2 blue colors on top of the red, which turned it like this deep navy blue / purple. It looks black when you first look at it, but it's not really. It's actually bluish purple. But anywho, getting into this video, I'm just starting on this wash and go. Normally I like to air dry my wash and goes, but for the sake of this video I just sped it up with my blow dryer and just blow dried the middle of my hair. So all I'm gonna do is just take my oil mixture. You guys have seen this so many times on my channel, nothing new here. I'm just gonna take my oil, squeeze a good amount in my hand, rub my hands together obviously, and then just start applying it to the hair. Now the reason why I like to apply the oil before I pick out my hair is because it kind of helps with fluffing out the wash and go. I don't want to pick out my hair and then have to manipulate it like this with oil. It's going to mess up the shape, so I don't really want to, you know, add anything on top after I've picked it out to my desired style. So yeah, I've finished applying the oil to my hair, and now the only thing I'm going to be doing is taking my pick. This is like a medium-sized pick. They have one smaller than this and they have one bigger than this, so I don't really know what size it is, but this is the pick that I use. And all I'm going to do is just start picking my hair. Now when I do this, I don't pull the pick all the way through my curls, because why would I do that? It's defeating the purpose of the wash and go, honestly. But I just take the pick, you know, at my roots and just fluff it. I like stab my hair and then I pull it outward. Stab it, pull out. Stab it, pull out. So it's kind of doing like this underneath, stabbing it, pulling it, but I'm not raking it all the way down. So that's all I do. And once I get it kind of voluminous, I just like to go in different areas. Sometimes I start at the middle of the hair and do the same movement, but for the most part the motion that I'm doing is like a stab and lift. You don't want to pull the pick through your hair because it's just going to disturb the curls. That's really all I do. So when I'm picking out my hair in my videos, that's literally what I'm doing here. So this is one side and this is the other side. You can kind of see that there's a little bit of difference. It's a little bit of volume. And since I'm doing the middle part today, for the most part I like to make sure that the middle is very voluminous. It's just my cup of tea and what I like on my hair. Okay, so that's really all I do, and at the end I just kind of shape it to see how I like it. I normally do this in the bathroom because in the camera it may look good, but I really need to make sure that it's, you know, up to my standards. So I just go in the bathroom and fix it. So I'm probably going to slick down my edges just a little bit, fluff it out a little bit more, and then I'm going to come back so you guys can basically see the final look. Alright, so after I laid down my edges just a little bit, I showed you this trick that I like to do in one of my previous videos. But since this is like a how to pick my hair and how I get my wash and go video, I'm going to show you this trick now. So what I like to do is take maybe 1 or 2 bobby pins, and I just take the crown where it's kind of split and I pinch it together. It looks fine like this, but for the most part I do like to close up that little parted area. So I just pinch it and then put a bobby pin through it to kind of round it out a little more, and you know, that just gives me the perfect wash and go. So yeah, real easy peasy lemon squeezy, and that's basically all I do. Alright guys, that completes the video on how I pick out my wash and goes. If you like this video and would want to see a tutorial on how I got this wash and go ahead and like this video. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. Be sure to subscribe on your way out. If you are a returning subscriber, go ahead and make sure your post notifications are turned on so you can be updated on any future video. That completes the tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!